Data can be divided into 4 parts based on measurement scales: the nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Nominal scale data which is qualitative and can't be ordered falls in this category. Example: marital status, single and married. It cannot be ordered. Even for the colors, can you order them in some ascending or descending order? No arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division can be performed on this data. And next one, ordinal scale. Data which is qualitative and can be ordered falls in this category. Example, rating on a 1 to 5 scale, 5 being the highest value and 1 being the lowest value. No arithmetic operations can be performed, but we know that rating 4 is better than rating 2. Means here we can order that values. Other example, small, medium and large. These are the suppose sizes of our shirt. We can compare these shirt sizes. Here order is meaningful, but we cannot say that two ratings will be equal to rating 4. Means here also arithmetic operations are meaningless. Interval scale. All the data points which have been taken from some fixed interval set. Example, temperatures, dates, and IQ level. Addition or subtraction can be performed, but division doesn't make sense here. For example, Mumbai has 10 centigrade more than Bangalore, but you saying that Mumbai is twice hotter than Bangalore is not right. Ratios doesn't make sense here. Ratio scale. All the data points which are quantitative in nature falls in this category: height, weight, and volume. Here all the arithmetic operation can be performed and comparisons can be done. Ram can earn twice of Sham earns. The ratio makes sense here. If you take one person, he is suppose 75 centimeters, and if you take another one, he is suppose 150 centimeters. We can say that this 150 centimeters guy is twice taller as the 75 centimeter person. Means ratios are meaningful here. To identify which scale the data belongs to, yes, we need to see these 3 things. First, we need to observe whether the data is quantitative or qualitative. If it is quantitative, means it is numerical data, then these 2 will be exist. Interval and ratio will be there for numerical data. And for qualitative data, we have these 2 scales. First, we need to identify quantitative or qualitative data. If it is a qualitative data, then observe is there any ordering. If order is there, then it is ordinal scale data. If there is no order, you can say it is nominal data. If data is quantitative, check for can we calculate ratios for that data. If ratio is meaningful, then that can be said as ratio scale. If only difference is possible and ratios cannot be possible, then we can say that the data is interval scale. And for interval scale, absolute 0 will not be exist. Means suppose if you take the temperature, 0 degrees temperature doesn't mean that absence of temperature. Means this is one temperature, here water melts. Means in interval scale, absolute 0 will not exist. The overall classification can be seen like this. First, we have to organize this data into quantitative and qualitative. Within the quantitative data, it can be either discrete or continuous data. Continuous data can be further divided into interval scale and ratio scale. And quantitative data, we can divide the data into nominal scale and ordinal scale. If order is there, we can call it as ordinal. If there is no order, we can call it nominal.